So you know that random guy's dad that started day trading a few weeks ago? He already passed his first funded account. He's already on the way to making a shit ton of money from day trading. So in this beginner's guide to day trading, I'm going to teach you what I've learned from the 3 years I've been day trading. And I'm going to show you all the tips and tricks and how exactly I would start over again if I were a beginner. First, I want to address a question you may be asking yourself, which is, have I made any money yet? And the short answer is no. But to go into more detail, I have to say that I'm 17 right now, and I have passed many funded accounts in the past, but I cannot get a payout because it's illegal because I'm 17. However, I am still learning, I'm still mastering the craft, and by the time I'm 18, I will get a payout, and I will actually day trade for a living, hopefully. That's what I'm manifesting. Now that that's out of the way, I want to get into the first step that you should do as a beginner. The first step I highly recommend is go to TJR's YouTube channel, scroll all the way down, and go on his bootcamp. Now, this is what I did when I first started learning. I would watch his bootcamp. This took me like a few weeks probably. You're going to watch his YouTube videos. You're going to get a notebook like this, and you're going to take notes on every single YouTube video. He shares so much valuable knowledge, all for free, just a free YouTube course. And you're going to take notes, you're going to study, and you're going to truly focus, apply your knowledge, and actually do something. Another YouTuber that I like, another day trader that I like, a very honorable mention, you should definitely watch him. Even while you're watching the bootcamp, TJR's bootcamp, I would suggest Jade Cap. Now, Jade Cap, he is amazing trader. Like, he has the top payouts, like millions of dollars of payouts for a funded account. And he teaches all his stuff on YouTube for free. And his videos are so valuable. I feel like for strategy, he has the best strategy videos, in my opinion. But there's a lot of psychology to trading, which you'll learn later. Right now, you just want to master the strategy, then you'll get into psychology. And also, TJR talks about psychology in his bootcamp. Second step I would do is, as you're learning, you're going to want to start trying to apply the information that you learn. So you're going to want to start demo trading, like going on to the charts and looking for the things you learn. Like TJR will assign homework assignments or whatever, if I remember. I think he assigns homework assignments. So like go on the charts, right? And you're going to want to start applying what you learn, and also writing down what you see on the charts and write down everything. It's so important to write down what you see. And demo trading. You probably don't know what demo trading is, but it's pretty much trading with fake money, right? So when you trade with fake money, you could learn the easiest. You could learn the quickest, the easiest without risking actual capital. And you will be learning because you'll be trading in a simulation, but it still represents the real markets. This will take months of dedication and grind. So after a few months, I'm going to put you on to step 3, which is buy a funded account. Now, if you don't have $50 to go on Top Step and buy a funded account, you need to get money. Get a job, get, birthday money. I don't care. Get, money from your parents. Probably won't give it to you, but whatever. Get money. Buy a $50 Top Step account and try to trade. This is going to be close to real, like trading with real money, but it's really not. Like, if you buy a $50 funded account, they're going to give you $50,000, but it's just fake $50,000 that you're trading with, and you're going to try to pass. You're going to try to make like $3,000 or something, and you can't lose $2,000. You're going to try to pass this account. You're going to try to make $3,000. And if you do that successfully and follow all your rules, that's most importantly, you are on the right track. But every trader blows a funded account. Now, this means you lose your funded account and you lose $2,000, right? That's just the way it is. You're going to lose at first. And yeah, I think I covered mostly everything. Just make sure there's so much free information out there. And you're going to actually have to put in the work. You have to do a lot of work to actually achieve your goals in anything in life, not even day trading. Do the work.
Here's why 96% of traders fail and how you can join the winning 4%. Step 1. Get the Pips Gravity Mastermind Trading Plan. Links in bio. Inside, you'll learn how to spot market structure shifts so you know exactly when the trend changes. Step 2. Master liquidity and fair value gaps. The same concepts banks use to trap retail traders and take their money. Step 3. Use our tested entry techniques to enter with sniper precision and manage your risk like a pro. And step 4, follow our trade management plan to scale up without giving back your profits. Stop trading blind. Start trading with a blueprint. Pips Gravity Mastermind. Your prop firm pass starts here.